Yeah, let me, yeah.
All right, so what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kel from Handlebars and Cigars, and thank you again for chiming in and coming into my channel. Got a good treat for y'all today. My boy Jason A.K.A. White Hand, A.K.A. Ghost, he's getting ready to pick up his bike. He had a lot of mods done to it, so I want to take you on this journey when we go up here and pick his bike up and show you what he did. Y'all gonna be surprised. Stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, we over here in Bessemer, North Carolina. The place is called Hampton Designs. I don't know if you guys been following some of the other YouTube influencers out there, but if y'all remember, John from Cycle Fanatics bought his bike here about 2 years ago, Silverback, to get his bike custom, do some custom work to it. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside and keep you guys posted. Stay with me. All right, we in over at this Hampton Designs, and real fast, we got Chad. You the owner, right?
That's me.
All right, we got Chad from Hampton Designs here. He's the one who did custom work on my best friend's bike, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you guys see. Wow. What y'all look at that.
And the pipe, is that Freedom? Is that what that is?
Yeah. There's not a lot of options on them side dump pipes, especially for the V-twin. There's a little bit more for the M8 motors, but it's about 3 different options. To me, that's the best looking one and the best sound. It's probably a little loud, but the ones, the other two or three, they're louder than that one, and they're long and obnoxious.
So outside of the paint job, which is immaculate, you got the 2-in-1 side pipe. You got a stereo upgrade with the cicadas, speakers, 4-speaker setup. I believe what's the wattage on this? What, 800 watt?
1,000.
Oh, he got a 1,000. I'm sorry, excuse me. He flipped his mirrors there. I see the switches for the air right up here. I think it's your switches for your air rides right here.
Yeah, the switches are up top there.
All right, we're gonna get a little quick demo. The center stand.
This raises the bike up, back, front, and then there's a switch right here, the little switch that controls the center stand. I got you. And the reason for that being the center stand switch requires more wires. It's bigger, so the back side of the switch won't fit up here.
So you got your kickstand.
And there's a big valve right here. I'll show you that. On the center stand, man. I usually look down through this hole right here and watch the center stand move that way. I know it's up and down there. That way you're not having to lean over the bike and drop it over on the side, but you can see it move down through here. Put it down, and then and usually what I do, man, is when I get off of it, I'll just make sure that it's sturdy. You can tell right here, you feel it, it's sitting rock hard.
Yeah.
Because like sometimes if you get in a parking lot or something where there's like a valley in it or something, like a runoff or something, if you park, you get off, man, this thing might be wobbly. Right. Because you're in like a hole, so just get back on it and either back it up a foot or two or pull it forward a foot or two and get out of that, that hole.
can hear me. That's Hampton Designs over in Bedminster, North Carolina. Right around the Kings Mountain area. Man, you need to check these guys out. They do great work. They got a shop full of bikes. And unfortunately, I wish I could play the stereo system. The stereo system was off the chain. He went with the Cicada system with an 800 watt amp, 4-speaker setup, and I tell you that bad boy was banging. Again, take a look at my man's new bike. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. We're going to go ahead and my man get ready to settle up. We're going to put this on the trailer. Go head on back to Charlotte. So tell me what you think. If you like content like this, go ahead and leave me a like, a comment, and a subscribe. And also share. Again, this is your man Kel with Handlebars and Cigars signing off. Until next time, y'all be easy.